So this is week 3 of the Pick Your Number Declutter Challenge. It is a collaboration with some other wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and it is hosted by Melinda of Melinda Plain and Simple. So be sure to check out the playlist as well as Melinda's channel. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I decided to declutter my kitchen drawer. It had been a while since I had did this. This declutter challenge is for the month of January. The first 2 weeks I ended up decluttering 70 items, but I did 10 items per day. The last 2 weeks, I'm just going to declutter 70 items all at once. Because this drawer had not been decluttered in a while, I knew for sure that I was going to find at least 70 items, if not more. Be sure to check out my first 2 videos that show the items that I decluttered the first and second week. I will link them in the description box below. I hope that you are inspired and or motivated to do some decluttering around your home. Well, I thank you so much for being here. I'm glad that you were a part of this declutter challenge with me. Be sure to check out the playlist as well as Melinda's channel. Also return for week 4 to see what else I end up decluttering. I did end up decluttering 70 items in this video, so I hope to see you guys back then. See you in the next one.